Hello, in front of me I've got CROSSCALL Core M5. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app you've got access to your downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and other apps, collections and internal storage. Also you can check nearby share function, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. Then you can go to clean function to clean junk files from your smartphone. And in the end, you can access recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.